Hello and welcome to Moneymaker School. Today, we will be summarizing Never Split the Difference by Voss. By the end of this short book summary, you will not only understand the big ideas and key takeaways from the book, but you'll also be able to discuss and implement them as well. Also, comment and subscribe below, and we will do our best to thank you. Never Split the Difference comes from a former FBI hostage negotiator, Voss. In the book, Voss reveals his tried and true methodologies for high-stakes negotiations. Life is full of negotiations, like buying a home, buying a car, negotiating rent, or dealing with your partner. There are some groundbreaking rules to negotiation that can make you win every time. Here are 5 key takeaways the book focuses on. Key lesson number 1: be a listener. Negotiation is not an act of battle. It's a process of discovery. The goal is to uncover as much information as possible. Voss. You must have heard that being able to listen is the best quality for many reasons. Chris approves of the idea too. The author says that it is important to listen to the other side first. This will help you to validate them and build trust and even safety to begin a conversation. This also helps in gathering information from the other party. Key lesson number 2: be a mirror. You need to be like a mirror and listen to them, trying to uncover as much information as possible. Because negotiation is not a battle, it is an act of discovery. You must understand what the other party requires and make them feel safe enough to express their true desires. Key lesson number 3: tactical empathy. Tactical empathy is a term the author coined as emotional intelligence on steroids. It is a way to get your job done while keeping a hold on the emotions of the other side. In simpler words, tactical empathy is understanding the feelings and mindset of the other party and nipping in the bud of those feelings so that you can increase your influence in the moments to come. Key lesson number 4: don't feel their pain, label it. This is a tricky situation where you are making the other party be emotionally open and show empathy, but you are not supposed to be feeling those emotions. Instead, label them. Labeling is a method of validating someone's emotion by recognizing it. Giving somebody's emotion a name proves that you fully comprehend how the person feels. It empowers you to get close to someone without having to ask about external factors about which you are unaware. Key lesson number 5: no is the new yes. No helps people feel safe, secure, emotionally comfortable, and in control of their decisions. No moves everyone's efforts forward. Voss. If you want to win a negotiation, get ready to tackle no, because a negotiation starts from a no. No is not the end, but the beginning. It can mean, I am not ready to agree yet. I want something else. Come up with something better. I want to discuss it. After being attacked by a no, start asking questions. Key lesson number 6: make them say it. Rather than making your counterpart say yes, get them to say, that's right. Make use of a summary to elicit a that's right. A label combined with paraphrasing is the foundation of a good summary. Lesson number 7: be fair. The most powerful word in negotiation is fair. Being a negotiator, build yourself a fair reputation. This reputation will pave your success. Key lesson number 8: ask calibrated questions. It is like visiting a store, looking for something, asking the staff to help, and then the thing is a bit out of budget, and then you ask them for help with a legendary calibrated question. How am I supposed to do that? Here are a few calibrated questions that can help in negotiating. How can I help to make this better for us? How would you like me to proceed? What is it that brought us into this situation? How can we solve this problem? What's the objective? And what are we trying to accomplish here? Calibrated questions make the counterpart feel like they are in charge of the situation, but it is you in reality. Key lesson number 9: guarantee execution. Yes is nothing without how. Voss. By asking the right how questions, you can read and frame the negotiating environment to subsequently get the answer you want to hear. If you want to read the strategies of a good negotiator, you should buy Split the Difference by Voss. You can pick it up in the affiliate link below. We will return with more book summaries soon. In the meantime, please like and subscribe to our channel. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when a new video is added. Let us know in the comments if there is a book that you want to be summarized. And until next time, we hope your financial success surpasses your dreams.